السلام عليكم مشاهدينا الكرام ومرحبا بكم في هذه الفيديوهات القصيرة نظرا لارتفاع درجة الحرارة وطبعا لا أقدر. So it's because of heat. Here it's about 40 degrees Celsius. It's very hot and I cannot resist. So that's why I just shoot very short videos. Now I move to the phrasal verbs. You have got the four phrasal verb. What is a phrasal verb? So it means, okay, we are going to put it in the form, yes, as you can see, form, the form, it's a verb, plus what? Plus particle, okay, particle. It may be an adverbial or it may be a preposition, okay, so this is it. For example, it's an app, so app is a preposition, but actually it's an adverbial, okay, adverbial, or you can say preposition, preposition. You have at, you have for, in, on, and so on, and these are combined together with certain verbs, okay, to give specific meaning, yes? So this is it. Now we move to use, the use of phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb, okay, as I explained before, a phrasal verb is what? Is one which, sorry, is one which collocates, كيختار واحد النوع من collocates a preposition. A preposition. Why? For which reason? Immediately, yes, this preposition should immediately, sorry, I'm so sorry, immediately after what? The verb, okay? So you have put on, you have the verb to put in your pocket, وضع في جيب. ولكن ملي كنقول حينما نقول put on يعني ارتدى، شو المعنى؟ كيطغيا. Yes? A verb. These are, they are combined. Yes, the verb and these certain preposition combined together. Yes, together. To give what? Specific meaning. Specific meaning. باش يعطي واحد المعنى معين. Okay? Okay? So this is it. And you have example. الأمثلة باش تكتمل الصورة. For example, you can say Shakespeare. Shakespeare, so you know who is Shakespeare, actually, yeah? Is a very famous writer, author, yes, of too many works of Shakespeare and poems. Shakespeare took off. You have this verb, took, from the verb to take off. ما معنى take off؟ ملي كتدخل take off يعني يخلع الملابس باللغة العربية. Se déshabiller, c'est normal. Le verbe en français on dit se déshabiller. يخلع الملابس. العكس ديالو to put on. إذا لاحظوا put بوحدها كتعني وضعها، ولكن ملي كتكون كنزيدوا لها هذه part كتولي parted on, part of the verb. The whole verb put on بمعنى يرتدي الملابس. اللي هي العكس ديال يخلع الملابس. So نكملوا let's finish the example. Shakespeare took off his hat, يعني خلع القبعة, his hat, and what? And greeted, وحيا قام بتحية ماذا؟ الملكة. And greeted the queen. ماشي ملكة، لا الملكة. ماشي ملكة، الملكة اللي كتكون الزوجة ديال الملك اللي كتعطي الأمير. So the queen who gives the prince or the princess. Actually, yeah. So this is the example. Elizabeth I, for example, because that was the time when Shakespeare, and he even was named one of the Elizabethan sea dogs, explorers, and trying to transform into in literature all the explorations, whether economic they were or whatever, to give it another shape and hide what is, yes, what is what was actually important and significant at the time, exploration and making the British Empire bigger and bigger. Okay, now I think I have to talk to you about reflexive pronouns, okay, after doing this. So what is reflexive? You have the verb reflect, بمعنى عكس يعكس. Reflexive, sorry, and you have reflexive. No. Reflexive, and جاي من الفعل refléter يعني يعكس. Like in the mirror, which reflects the sun rays or the light. Reflexive pronouns. Pronouns. What are they? I already explained them. I give you the course, maybe. Yes, yes, I'm sure. But actually, it's time to talk about reflexive. Sorry. Yeah. You have got I, you. These are subject pronouns. Subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay. So this reflexive pronoun must reflect. Okay. They must reflect this subject pronouns, and you have got yes here. So I'm so sorry here. And you have got reflexive pronouns in here. Okay, subject pronouns. I becomes myself. Reflexive pronoun of I, it's myself. You, yourself. He, himself. هذا اللي كنكتب هما reflexive pronoun أعزائي التلاميذ. herself هي هنا كيكون هذا في السبجكت اسم الفاعل ضمير الفاعل. هي انا، ولكن ملي كنقولوا هنا كنهضروا على من؟ كنهضروا على الضمائر اللي كتعكس نفسها. reflexive pronouns. herself هي بداتها. she herself doesn't know the answer. okay. itself itself مشروكه itself. وعندكم هنا وي كتولي ourselves. we ourselves didn't know the answer. ourselves. yourselves الجمع ديال plural selves. okay. and themselves. okay. هادو هما اللي كيتسموا reflexive pronouns. okay. P pronouns. وهادو طبعا هادو subject. هذا subject pronouns البلورال ديالها هو هادو. اوكي. اذا كل حاجه معها كيفاش هي herself, he itself, we ourselves, you yourselves, they themselves. okay. Leila and let's say Latifa احسن من ليلى. ماشي تاع Latifa and Sophia blamed وبخوا نفوسهم. they blamed themselves for not having a good mark in the test. just an example. Latifa and Sophia blamed themselves. لقينا في هذا النموذج كنلقاو بأن themselves. I did the homework. okay. I myself did the homework. يعني أنا بدأت التمرين. you yourself went sightseeing. he himself spent free time. she herself, for example, spent her free time. it itself went with its owner. we ourselves went on an excursion. you yourselves, you went on an excursion. انتم بداتكم خرجتوا خرجة رحلة. they themselves didn't have a good mark or could not answer yes. That's one of the just examples to make it clear. So here I have to stop here, the viewers, and thank you so much. But don't forget to support and subscribe my channel as Duke 99, so that you can receive all what is outstandingly interesting as far as English learning is concerned. Thank you once more, and I just would like to thank you for this special attention and support.